Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a wet day outside, can't really go out and mow or do any yard work, so I decided to build a lawn striping kit. Now in the stores or online, these things can cost $200-300. No way you need to pay that kind of money. So this is what it looks like. Basic, simple. Took me about an hour to build. It'll get the job done. So this thing cost about $20-30 to build, nothing too expensive. All I did was go down to the local hardware store, picked up a couple pieces, nothing fancy, drilled some holes, fastened it all together, made it extremely easy to attach and disattach from the lawnmower itself, and you're done. You just fill this tube with sand, give it some weight, and you're good to go. Oh, and just for the record, you also do not need an extremely fancy lawnmower. Found this guy on the side of the road. Hey, it's Sunday, sun and cloud, I'll take it, but this putting green needs to cut. Let's get at it. Well, it's not as sunny as I'd like it to be, but we're gonna get her done, test this thing out, see how she goes. Just gotta hook it up. Well, that's it. Okay, so as you can see, the DIY stripe kit worked pretty good. Went with some double wides just to change it up a bit, but pretty happy with how it turned out. It could use a little bit of work, but I'll fix her up nice and good. So in my opinion, DIY stripe kit, totally worth the $30. If you want your lawn to look good, your neighbors to kind of awe at you, go for it. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing, you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It'll keep me motivated to keep putting out videos. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.